Yo guys, what's going on? It's Dawson here. Today we're at K1 Speed Toronto, and I'm going to show you guys how I got a 21-second lap. We're going to break it down corner by corner, and I'm going to slow it down for you guys. But first, let's see a flying lap. Okay guys, so as we finish out our flying lap here, we're going to slow it down for this next lap. Coming into turn 1, you use the barrier as your apex. You're going to stretch it to the middle of the track, cut back. See this red on the right? You want to use that as your marker. Let off the throttle as you turn in here. Keep it all the way to the left, and then as you cut back to the right, you don't have to hit that apex. You can miss it by about half a cart, but the second apex you definitely want to hit. Then stretching it all the way out to the outside as we go down the back straightaway. Jumping through here, coming up into turn 5 and 6, you want to go through the middle of the track, aim for that second K1 barrier on the wall there. Going to slow it down a little more even here. Super late apex here, guys. Try not to slide. Super late apex, and look middle of the track to the right. My hands are still pointed right, still right, still right. Now we're turning left. This apex is about dead center on this inside barrier here, and then we're stretching it to the outside at the very end of this black barrier. Looking ahead, we're using the end of the red barrier. You want to start turning in, maybe use a little dab of the brakes to get it turned in. Again, super late apex, not using all the track on the exit here. You want to keep it left, keep it in the middle, so you can get a nice line in this right-hander, which is super important. You need to stay all the way to the inside here. A lot of people run way too wide and they're losing tenths in this last corner alone. And then use this last black barrier as your last apex. Come across the line with a nice hot lap.